Spending long hours hunched over a static, traditional desk can lead to chronic lower back pain, neck strain, and a massive mid-afternoon energy crash. For remote employees, students, and gamers trapped in smaller rooms or apartments, finding a workspace that balances health benefits with a compact footprint is a major challenge. The Veken 47.2-inch adjustable height electric standing desk completely rewrites your daily productivity and wellness routine, packaging industrial-strength ergonomic lifting into a sleek, modern black profile. This versatile sit-stand table effortlessly transitions from a traditional seated desk to an active standing workstation, keeping your energy high and your focus sharp all day long. The standout feature of this Veken model is its high-performance, whisper-quiet electric lifting motor, which operates at a highly discreet noise level under 52 decibels. Instead of physically wrestling with clunky manual cranks or cheap tension knobs, a smooth touch of the digital control panel smoothly adjusts your desktop from a minimum height of 28.3 inches up to a maximum extension of 46.5 inches. To completely eliminate the daily hassle of guessing your perfect height levels, the smart interface is armed with intuitive memory presets. This allows you to save your absolute favorite sitting and standing heights, letting you automatically glide back to your personalized sweet spots with a single press of a button. Physical construction and rock-solid stability serve as the absolute foundation of the Veken architecture. The desk is built around an ultra-durable carbon steel frame that remains rigid and wobble-free even when extended to its maximum height, comfortably supporting an impressive weight capacity of up to 154 pounds. The spacious 47.2 inches by 23.6 inches engineered with desktop features an elegant, wear-resistant laminated finish that easily accommodates a full dual-monitor setup, a laptop, and your essential writing or gaming gear. To maximize your active workspace and protect your electronics from accidental damage, the framework incorporates a dedicated child safety lock, a convenient side hook for your headphones, and a built-in cable clamp management system to keep unruly power cords neatly tucked out of sight. Beyond its physical durability, this standing desk acts as an active partner in your daily health through its integrated smart safety features. Built with wellness in mind, the control panel features a fully programmable sedentary reminder that gently alerts you when it's time to break up prolonged sitting blocks and switch to standing. Out of the box, Veken completely eliminates assembly headaches by packing every single screw, brace, and accessory into a sequentially labeled, segmented plastic bag string that perfectly mirrors the step-by-step instructions. This highly organized layout allows even a single person to fully assemble the rigid workspace in just 10 to 30 minutes with a standard screwdriver. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from the physical drag of a sedentary lifestyle, claim a sleek, space-saving workstation that keeps you moving, and invest in an incredibly easy-to-assemble electric hub built for professionals, students, and gamers alike. This 47.2-inch sit-stand table is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you're setting this up for a home office or a dedicated gaming corner, and I will see you in the next video.